Hey, maybe you're like me and you've been working from home due to the coronavirus pandemic. And you're spending endless hours using this little device. Did you know that you're at greater risk of repetitive strain injury from using the same muscles continuously each day? So it could affect your forearm, your wrist, your fingers, your hand. Today I'm going to be sharing with you alternative input devices like trackballs. So what I'm doing now is I've got a few devices that I can choose from each day. And by switching between those devices, I'm actually reducing the risk of getting repetitive strain injury by using the same muscles. If you're interested in finding out more, keep watching. Hey, so now I'm going to show you the three devices which I use. Over here is just a regular mouse. This is the Logitech G402. It's actually a gaming mouse. Now I've been using computer mice for probably about 25 years now, so I'm quite used to these devices. About 10 years ago at work, when I was using double screens, I developed wrist pain from constantly having to move the mouse a lot to get from one screen to the other. And as you can see with this, quite a bit of wrist movement required, and furthermore you have forearm movement as well, and perhaps even shoulder movement when you're using a regular mouse. Apart from that, you've got the thumb here to help with the movement, and also your two fingers here for the buttons. Now moving on to the trackball, which I first started using after I had wrist pain. The contrast is that the trackball does not move at all. So your wrist is completely not involved at all. But after I started working from home and using this trackball consistently for many hours, I developed a bit of thumb pain right here. That's when I decided to look for an alternative device, which is this one here. Now this one here is a finger trackball. So instead of using your thumb, you use your two fingers. And the great thing about this one is you can use either hand. If you're left-handed, you can also use the other hand as well, which is great. Now this is a fairly basic device with just the left and right mouse buttons. You've got the movement control here, and then you've got a scroll ring here. Now this is a really great function, the scroll ring, because you can just easily scroll really fast as compared to like a normal scroll wheel on a mouse or on this trackball. So with this one, as you can see, the movement is pretty much here in these fingers here. And there's a slight wrist movement as well. And obviously the left and right mouse buttons. So I think by alternating between the different devices, you're at less risk of developing repetitive strain injury. My advice is you can have a normal mouse and maybe a thumb trackball, or a normal mouse and a finger trackball. Either one will work just as well. The aim is to prevent you from using the same muscles all the time by using just one device, which we're all used to this one. If you're interested in purchasing any of these, please see the links in the description below. Thanks for watching.